Let's see how to cook tasty chicken biryani and also know their ingredients. 1 kilogram chicken, 1 kilogram basmati rice. You can take the amount of rice according to the person eat in your home. Let's prepare garlic and ginger paste by chopping and blending for an extra added tasty meal. Cinnamon, 3 pieces. Cardamom, 5 pieces. Clove, 5 pieces. Mint, 1 bundle. Cutting of 1/2 onion. Should take amount of onion and tomatoes according to the amount person you're cooking for. Salt and chili powder according to the amount of persons you're cooking for. Add garam masala also. Garam masala is an Indian spice blend. The ingredients are shown in the pictures to your knowledge. Whole spices of cinnamon, mace, peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and cardamom pods are toasted in a pan to release their aromatic flavors, then ground to a powder. Now pour the 100 milliliters of oil and put cardamom, clove, cinnamon and chopped onion and tomato and garlic ginger paste. Stir them well. Pour 2 or 3 tablespoon ghee. Now drop mint leaves, and you can either add tomato at the time of dropping ginger paste and onion or at the time of adding mint leaves, that is now. Add few amount of curd. Add salt now and the amount as said before. Now, drop the raw chicken pieces in the cooking vessel. Stir well. Let the masala mixed onto it. After that, add a certain amount of garam masala and chili powder. Include certain amount of turmeric powder too. Add 3 to 4 green chilies. Stir well. For 1 cup of rice there should be 1½ cup of water added. Adding rice according to the amount of person going to eat the chicken biryani. Squeezing half lemon. Stir well. Close the cooking utensil with its cap and wait for some minutes. Let the delicious biryani get ready by itself. 3, 2, 1. The yummy and tasty chicken biryani is ready. Stir well once again and serve to your loved ones by sharing your love by way of biryani.
Hey dude, it's time to eat me.
Just decorate for a pic with fried onion as toppings. Thanks for watching RelaxGrow. Subscribe and like and share for more cooking videos.